So I am going to unbox this OnePlus 7 Pro Nebula Blue version, 8GB 256GB storage I got from Amazon. So this is how you get it in India. Quickly taking off the seal. Oops. I think I need to cut it deeper. There you have it. Nebula Blue, 8GB ROM, 256GB RAM. Manufactured, says 5/2019. MRP is 52,999, which is what I got it for. What you get inside is a mobile phone, USB cable, warp charger, TPU case, quick start guide, safety information, and SIM ejector tray. And there's one screen protector already applied on the phone. So you basically get bare minimal stuff inside the unit. So quickly I unbox it. Okay, I think I need to cut it here. Maybe I need a sharper tool. So let me try this. Okay, finally. Excuse my voice. I'm still recovering from terrible sickness after I had an anyway, I don't want to discuss it. So there you go. This is Amazon's FBA label. Okay, I don't think there's any other seal here. Let me see. I have to take this off. Let me try without destroying it. Yep, I can slide it off. The OnePlus community is the best place to learn about your device, meet your friends, and enter exclusive contests. Join us through the community app on your phone, which I typically delete after getting the phone, after getting a new ROM installed. I would probably visit the web version if I need to visit OnePlus community. Otherwise, I normally prefer XDF forums than OnePlus community. So there you go. You have got some shiny OnePlus logo here. There's no other seal. Okay, so moment of truth. You get one box with a soft TPU case and some instruction manuals or something. So this case has a matte finish on the inside, which is very important so that it does not get stuck on the glass, and glossy finish on the back, which will eventually get scratched and become pale after some usage. So here's the phone. So I'll quickly keep it on the side. It's quite heavy, much more heavier than my OnePlus 5 8GB version. So there's a welcome invitation letter, so if I want I can open it. Here we have the warp charger and the cable. Now one good thing this year OnePlus has finally done is to have a USB 3 or 3.1 connector here, and unfortunately they have got away with headphone socket, which is not good, because then I'll have to use a USB-C to headphone connector. The phone is quite heavy, so it is like iPhone 7 or 8 Plus. So this is the warp charger. So I'll be testing this warp charger on my OnePlus 5 and OnePlus 3T to see what I get. I hope that I'll probably be able to get dash charging like charging capability out of this warp charger, and it also has one plastic protection, which I'll probably keep it on to protect the brick from scratches. Okay, so here we have the USB-C cable, which is finally USB 3. Now one more thing I'll be checking is like I've got USB-C cables from my older OnePlus devices, OnePlus 3T and OnePlus 5, and I'll see if they are also I'll see if they are also USB 3.1 or USB 3 capable. Most probably they might be. So it must be only the port. So this port, even when it was USB-C from OnePlus 3 till I think it was USB-C in OnePlus 2 also. So but they never used USB 3 protocol inside. So from the inside it was actually USB 2 only. So because of that, the storage performance was compromised. So that is not the case this time. This cable looks exactly the same as the older cable which used to come with the OnePlus 3 and OnePlus 5. Let me quickly bring the other cable. Give me a moment. Okay, so I have got this older cable, the dash charging, so it says dash here. Now let me see what it says here. Nothing. So there's no marking here, no dash marking. Let me see if this one I can find the extra USB 3 pin, which are basically there are 3 additional pins. Maybe they are same. I'll check. I'll check and I'll let you know. I'll use this dash charging cable to see if it supports warp charging, and I'll use this USB-C cable to see if it supports dash charging on the older OnePlus devices. Alright, so this was a quick unboxing. You don't get any headset or anything, so this is all you get. Let me see if there's anything hidden here. Nothing. Let me try to take this portion out. No, I think it is stuck. Alright, so you don't really get anything else other than a warp charger, a cable, a USB-C cable, and the phone itself. So let me quickly try booting the phone. So there you go. It's quite heavy. Looks good. The screen protector is applied fine. There are some lines here, some scratches kind, but overall it looks okay. Let me quickly power it on. So the boot picture and logo, they are exactly the same as before, like my OnePlus 5 device. Same animation, nothing has changed, and you get the welcome screen. Alright, so I'll quickly do a setup after installing my SIM cards, etc., and I'll do a detailed review after a couple of days. Thank you for watching, guys. This was an unboxing video of OnePlus 7 Pro 8GB 256 GB version. So quickly, this is how the Nebula Blue color looks like. This is how it looks, and there's no fingerprint, so this is not really a fingerprint magnet. I'm touching it and I'm not seeing my fingerprint there, and it's not really a matte finish. So it's basically, it's not a glossy finish, but at the same time it's not really a matte finish. It is somehow basically this is a brushed finish, I would say. This is quite slippery otherwise. So, but yeah. And this flash is inside this glass, so the flash won't get scratched. And hopefully these three cameras have sapphire glass like the earlier OnePlus devices. So this is like an infinity display like Samsung, and probably looks better than Samsung because of full screen coverage, although I personally prefer some bezel space to actually place your fingers or something. But yeah, this is the trend currently going on. So I'll quickly check. The biggest loss which I feel on these phones is the lack of headphone socket. Like when I'm recording this video, I'm using a microphone which is connected to the phone using the headphone socket, which if I'll have to use with this device, I'll have to use a USB-C to headphone connector, and if I do it that way, then I won't be able to charge the phone simultaneously. So there's no way I can actually use both headphones and charge in simultaneously unless I use a Bluetooth headphone. So that would be the case, and plus I'll have to carry the dongle. So that's the biggest, and there's no dongle like the last year's OnePlus 6T used to carry a dongle. Now unfortunately this year in OnePlus 7 Pro there's no dongle provided by OnePlus, even when this phone is so expensive, crossing 50k. So I've not got even a single paisa discount except for SBI offer, except for some offers from Amazon and SBI. I have not got anything from OnePlus. Alright guys, so I'll stop here. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.